Hello everyone, and this is our 15th day of 75 day lead coding challenge. Today we have problem which name is a sort integers by the number of one bits. Lead code 1356 problem. So before going forward in this video, please make sure that you have liked and subscribed to this channel. And it's my advice to all of you that please read the problem statement and see this is a very simple problem. So you can do this. Please make an intuition in your mind, then do the code by yourself, then see the video. Because if you do the code and then you will see the video, this will be very beneficial for you. So please do the code by yourself, then see this. So let's read the problem statement. The problem is saying that we have given an array ARR. We have to sort the integers in the array in ascending order by the number of one bits in binary representation, and in case of two or more integers have the same number or ones, you have to sort them the ascending order. So basically problem is saying that we have given some integers in array. So we have to write, firstly we have to write the binary representation of all the numbers. So binary representation of 0 is 0, 1 is 0001, 2 is 0010. So do you know how to write a binary form, integer to binary form? If you do not know, so please see how to write the binary representation. It is a simple way. If we have 3, so firstly I will divide 3 by 2. 3 by 2 will be 1 and the modulo remainder will be 1. And again my 1 is there, so 1 divided by 2 will be 1, remainder is 1. So we have to reverse the remainder 1 1. So you have to know how to write the binary representation, integer to binary representation. So it's a simple, as you can see here. Time clear. So as you can see, I have written the binary representation of all the numbers. 0 is this one and this one. So you have to know this, how to write integer to binary representation. So now I have to count the number of one bits in all the numbers. So number of one bits in 0 is 0. Number of one bits in 1 is 1. And number of one bit in 2 is also 1. So firstly, I will count the number of zero bits, means number of one bits. So in zero, the number of one bits is zero. So firstly, it will be first. Then now I will count number of one bits. So one and two and four and eight. The number of one bits is one. So this will be second. And again 3, 5 and 6 number of one bits is 2, and in 7 number of one bits is 3. So I will write this in this form. And now we can see that we have to sort by using the count. So this will be 0, then 1, 2, 4, then 8, then 3, 5, 6, then 7. So our answer will be like this. So now how to how to find the count of number of one bits? So this is a major solution, this is a major intuition for this. So firstly I will end this number by 1. If I take this number, let's see, 0011, अगर इसको end करेंगे 1 के साथ, तो initially it will be 1, because 1 and 1 equals to 1, otherwise it will show 0. So it will be 1, so our count equals to 1. Now I will do left shift, right shift, sorry. So it will be 0001. Then again the number and 1 equals to 1, so now count equals to 2. नाउ अगर अगेन राइट शिफ्ट करेंगे तो ये 0000 बन जाएगा, जो कि काउंट 0 ही आएगा हमेशा, तो उसका काउंट फाइनली अवर काउंट विल बी 2. So it will be like this. Let's do the code so that you can understand better. So firstly, what I will do is I'll create a, let's open the float function. I'll create a vector of pair type which stores the number correspond which stores the count of one bit in corresponding to that number. So vector of pair of int comma int which name is b. Now what I'll do, I'll iterate the whole array for auto it belongs to arr एंड इसमें पुश करेंगे बी डॉट पुश बैक ऑफ काउंट बिट्स मींस उस नंबर के करस्पॉन्डिंग कितनी बिट आ रही है तो काउंट बिट्स ये फंक्शन है जो भी लिखूंगा मैं आइट्रेट और इसके करस्पॉन्डिंग इस नंबर के करस्पॉन्डिंग ये बिट्स है ठीक है इफ माई नंबर इज टू it is like 2 if my number is 2 so count will be 1 because 0010 is the binary representation of 2 so the number of 1 bit in 2 is 1 so it will be 1 comma 2 so now let's write the count bits function count bits I am passing int n so now int count equals to 0 initially count will be 0 equals to 0 if I'll check n I'll check नो जब तक का वो नंबर रहेगा आई विल राइट अ लूप while n if no count plus equals to n and 1 and 1 means n and 1 means if this is 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 so n and 1 will be a 1 so count equals to count plus 1 it is like this now right shift n equals to n and 1 now we have shifted the to right this is done now I'll sort this because we have created this vector which has a type of pair so b dot begin comma b dot end now ये sort हो गया वेक्टर अब तो मेरे को क्या करना है एक लूप चलाना है फॉर इंट आई इक्वल्स टू 0 टू आई लेस देन बी डॉट साइज वेक्टर की साइज तक और आई प्लस प्लस और मेरे को क्या कर देना है ए आर ऑफ आई को बी ऑफ आई डॉट सेकेंड बिकॉज उसमें ही हमने नंबर को स्टोर किया है सेकेंड वाला ही तो नंबर है इस बिट्स के अकॉर्डिंग मैंने सॉर्ट कर दिया और जो भी बना उसको मैं उस नंबर के अकॉर्डिंग है तो उसको मैं फाइनली रिटर्न कर दूंगा फाइनली इट विल बी रिटर्न ARR so let's run this code what is the problem non void function यहाँ रिटर्न कराना है मेरे को रिटर्न count this is done now let's again run this code यहाँ सेमीकोलन की गलती हुई फिर से रन करो as you can see it is working perfect let's submit this code it is taking 3 milliseconds better than the 96.58% of C++ users so it is a better solution so now let's discuss about the time and the space complexity forces so as you can see we are iterating okay so firstly they discuss about the space complexity so the space complexity will be big of है because we are using vector space and the time complexity will be big of n log n because we are sorting and here we are traversing the whole array so time complexity will be big of n log n So if you find this helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. So let's do the brief introduction. So finally हमने किया क्या था, हमने हर एलिमेंट के लिए उसकी बिट्स को काउंट कर लिया और फिर मैंने वेक्टर बनाया। वेक्टर में मैंने क्या किया कि जो भी मेरी काउंट नंबर है उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग जो भी बिट्स आई हैं उनको मैंने स्टोर कराया और उस बिट्स के अकॉर्डिंग जो भी काउंट ऑफ बिट्स थी उसके अकॉर्डिंग मैंने सॉर्ट किया। और इसमें सेकंड वाला है ना, जो बी ऑफ आई जो सेकंड है वो अपने आप ही सॉर्ट हो गया और उसको मैंने फाइनली रिटर्न करा दिया। तो ये बेसिकली ये किया है, बहुत सिंपल प्रॉब्लम है। एक बार ड्राई रन करके देखना, बहुत अच्छे से समझ हो जाएगा। सो नाउ प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब इफ यू डू नॉट लाइक। सो बाय।